Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process of creating a new position. But make sure grade, salary grade, designation, function/department, city/work location and site must be already created in PromptHR. Without these data points, you cannot create a new position. Click on the video links accordingly, given in the description box to know how to create grade, salary grade, designation, function/department, city/work location and site. If your company is planning to introduce a new position, then you now need to create this in PromptHR. Before you log into PromptHR, check that you have admin rights to create a new position. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Masters from your left-hand side menu. Click on Position menu. And now click on Position submenu. In the list view that you see, click on plus icon at the bottom of your screen to open the form to add your new position. Enter effective date, from which date this position will be applicable. Enter the date on which date this new position was approved. Description will come automatically. Now select salary grade. Select designation. Select business unit/division. Select function/department. Select cluster. Enter TADN days. This position should be filled within given TADN number of days. Enter number of positions to create. In this example it is one only. Choose yes and enter number of days if you want to open this position for internal job posting, else choose no. Enter job description for this position. If you have job description written in a document, you can upload it from here. Select category from the list, for which employee category this position will be created. Select assignment, for which employee assignment this position will be created. Select work location, you are creating this position for which location. Select site for this position, you are creating this position for which site. Select cost center if required. Select direct manager/supervisor/first level manager from here. Employee or employees who will join against this position, they would report to this person. If you do not find manager name in this list, it means you have not assigned managerial rights to him/her as manager. For knowing this how to make an employee a manager, please watch the video, link given in the description box. Select level manager/skip manager will come automatically. Enter salary range i.e. per annum for this position. Enter approved head count for this position. It means, against this position how many employees you can hire. Enter some note here, if you would like to do so. For example, it is ad hoc position. Select one or multiple interview assessment sheet type. This will use at the time of interview of the candidate. For the candidate who joined against this position. For selecting multiple interview assessment sheets, keep pressing Ctrl key from the keyboard and click on the sheet type by using mouse. Now save the data from here. After saving, you can see the newly created position in the list.